Hello, my name is Eli Underhill, representing Team PC Parrots for the Brainco Hand Challenge. The majority of my role within my team was to lead with passion and design all of the elements being put into the hand. This would include the fingertip sensors, which would allow for a autonomous stop so you do not hurt anything within the hand or anything that you are grabbing. I also helped design the camera system that is going to be used for a autonomous grabbing and gesture sensor, so you don't have to put input every single time you want to grab or make a gesture at someone. This is extremely important whenever you have to wear a hand for almost every single activity you want to complete.
Hi, I'm Matthew McKeehan, and right here we have our Brainco hand, which has a video sensor attached to it that is gone through ribbon cable all the way down to our Raspberry Pi, which was donated by Internet of Things, and that is plugged in through a D battery that we had to solder to a micro USB cord. These make it battery powered, can also make it capable to be connected to the switch that was given to us.
Hello, I'm Aaron Pruitt. I'm the head programmer for this project, and this is the code for our project. What we did was we took the M block from the NeuroMaker pre-built and we put that into the Arduino IDE to modify it for the sensors. Specifically, we modified it for the pressure and the proximity sensor for the hand. The board we got was donated from the Internet of Things lab in Fishers, and what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that and we're going to put that onto the Raspberry Pi so we can get all the stuff ready, and so it should work.
I would like to thank our team manager, Max Donovan, who couldn't be here today while filming. There also deserves to be a thank you to the IoT lab in Fishers, Indiana for their help with coding and wiring our prosthetic. I would also really like to thank the Brainco company for allowing us to participate in this challenge and thrive within it. I feel it would be extremely beneficial to continue working with Brainco with our recent innovations in camera technology and AI for the betterment of the prosthetic community.